And in the state of Texas, there were a little over 18 million people registered to vote in that election. And when we examined the voter registration files, we found over 2.8 million registrations that were prohibited by state law. Now, that doesn't mean that every one of those 2.8 million registrants was an unlawful voter per se. But what it means is that there was a problem with their registration record. There was something in the record that didn't meet state law. And so some examples of that would be duplicates, like literally exact duplicates by full name and birth date. There were over 250,000 of them in the Texas registration records. There were imprecise addresses, or addresses where the ballot would go to, like a commercial mail handler, like a U.S. A post office box, or there were places where it would go to an apartment without a number. And so it's just, I mean, you vote based on your address. Mm-hmm. So if the ballot can't find you, or it's located in the wrong precinct, you get the wrong ballot. So we had all of those that were those 2.8 million that were unlawfully registered. And that's a problem on the part of the state. The state is required to maintain those voter registrations, and they're required by federal law to have accurate registrations. And then of those 2.8 million, there were 1.6 million of those registrations who were granted a ballot by the state of Texas and were allowed to vote.